Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we're just going to be doing kind of like a quick video. This is an unboxing. I just got this. I'm pretty sure this is the United 737-800 from Gemini Jets. If you don't know, I did unbox Virgin Atlantic 747, El Al 747, Lufthansa 747 and American MD-80. I was expecting this to come with it, but it didn't, so it just showed up. I'm pretty sure this is what it is, and so I'm going to unbox it and quickly kind of review it. This time I did take out my address because in the last video I knew I had the address in the video, I just didn't really care, but a lot of you were saying things, so just to avoid anything I just didn't include it. So actually, to be honest, I might not even, I'll just use a knife, but I'm pretty sure I don't need one. Yep, so here we go. This is the United 737-800. Here it is, wrapped in bubble wrap. So we'll unbox this quickly and then I'll go through it in detail, because if you don't know, it's actually over there somewhere, but I do have the other United 737-800. Right, so the box, I'm pretty sure the art is different from the other box. Yeah, the box is just the same as the usual box, you know, from Gemini Jets. But I'm going to unbox this quickly, and yeah, it looks the same. It's like I'm holding the same model. A few notable things is the these are almost paper thin. The vertical stabilizer, and especially these. I don't know if you can see that bend, but that is honestly, that's paper thin. But yeah, now I'll get into it in detail. Okay, so yeah, here we go. On the right side now we have the new 737, and on the left side we have the old one. The gear is slightly higher, very slightly higher, but apart from that there isn't much of a difference that I can see. We've got the boarding door, of course this one's the service door because it's on the opposite side. We got the United logos on there, and I'll put that over there quickly, and then I'll just get this more in shot. Engines look exactly the same. Split scimitars, exactly the same. Wi-Fi box, exactly the same. It's honestly, apart from the coloration, because one of the things that's different, I don't know if it's very hard to see, it's better in person, but this one, compared to all my other United models, the white is very faded. I'm hoping this won't happen with the new 737, but if it does, you know, that's just what's going to have to happen. But yeah, so the back here, the vertical stabilizer, this is probably the last United plane I'm going to get in the old livery. Well, this is the old livery now anyway. But going back to the tail again, here we have the I don't know if you, I'm trying to get across how flexible these wings at the back are. These are just, honestly, they're paper thin. It feels like I'm touching, not paper, but like, honestly, like card. It feels like it's laminated. That's very easily going to get broken or snapped. I can just I'm foreseeing that happening in the near future. But yeah, honestly, there's not much to say other than that. So the registration is different, of course. Let me just get the registration. So here, the registration on this one is N76, is that 529, and then on the other one is N14237, so they are different, which is kind of cool. But yeah, apart from that, there isn't really much to say. I do wish Gemini Jets will come out with this plane in American. I do really need an American 737. Of course, they won't have the split scimitars, but they'll have the other winglets. But yeah, that is kind of it. So do tell me what you got from the March releases. It'd be very interesting to see. I know a lot of you did already comment that in the last unboxing, but yeah. That's been a very quick unboxing kind of video, and I hope you did enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.